Introducing our advanced pipe cutting and chamfering machine. Designed for precision, speed, and complete automation, all in one seamless operation. Here comes the power behind the process. The heavy-duty bundle loader. Capable of carrying pipe bundles up to 3 tons, it delivers unmatched strength and efficiency. With an automatic forward indexing system, pipes are fed smoothly and continuously, keeping production uninterrupted while reducing manual effort to the minimum. The Smart HMI gives operators full control at a glance. Parameters like cutting length, speed, chamfer angle, and cycle time can be set with ease. Pipes are loaded and fed automatically, with smooth, precise movement for continuous operation. Cutting is performed with a high-precision HSS circular saw blade, delivering burr-free and taper-free results. Every cut is clean, accurate, and ready for the next process. Once the pipe is cut, it moves seamlessly onto the conveyor system. From here, each piece is guided smoothly toward the chamfering process, ensuring accuracy and continuous workflow. After cutting, each pipe is transferred from the conveyor to the tray using a precise walking beam mechanism. The outer diameter of the clamping area is carefully brushed, removing any remaining burrs or residue. Meanwhile, the inner diameter of the entire pipe length is cleaned with soft wire bristle brushes, guaranteeing smooth surfaces and defect-free finishing. Next, the pipes are treated with precision brushing. First, a bristle brush cleans the surface, followed by a cotton brush that applies oil evenly along the entire length. This process ensures smooth protection and long-lasting quality. An automatic air jet cleans the brushes after every cycle. This keeps the system efficient and ensures consistent performance. In the final stage, the pipe undergoes a complete chamfering process. This includes ID chamfer, OD chamfer, as well as precise facing, delivering a shiny, clean, and burr-free surface. During the chamfering process, a chip breaking system is integrated to avoid long, spiraled chips. This ensures smooth operation, preventing any disturbance during working, and keeping the process efficient and reliable. After chamfering, an ID air blow is applied inside the pipe. This removes any remaining chips, ensuring a clean, clear bore, ready for further use or processing. Finally, the length measuring index ensures only accurate tubes move forward. With precision maintained within 70 to 75 microns, every pipe meets the highest quality standard before passing ahead. For complete reliability, the system is equipped with smart safety control. If pipes are rejected continuously, the machine automatically stops, activating a hooter and alarm to alert the operator. The system allows easy length tolerance settings and lets you create standard recipes for different pipe sizes. With parameters saved in advance, changeovers become faster, easier, and highly efficient. Every cutting and chamfering operation is recorded and stored within the system. These logs can be easily transferred to a USB in the form of an Excel file.